Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. Elma here, and this is Space for Inspiration and Change. If you're new here, welcome. Yeah, if you're a returning subscriber of mine, thank you for always coming back here. So today I'm going to be doing like, let me put this camera like this. Yeah, I'm going to be doing like an unboxing. I got this top like from Temu. I've been hearing about this Temu app, but I've never really tried it. So we've been trying it lately, and I'm really appreciative of the things we've been getting. Like, yeah, the things are really pretty much cheaper for some stuff. Yeah, and we have really some good stuff. Okay, we've been using Shein, we've been using AliExpress. Yeah, but this time we decided to try Temu. So yeah, I got my package from Temu. So let's unbox. I don't know what exactly is inside, but we can unbox and see what is inside. Yeah, I don't know, my husband ordered some items which I'm not sure what is inside, but let's just see what we got. Oh, what is this one? I got some stuff yesterday which I'm going to be showing you all, and those things are really affordable. This is like, what is this one? Some kind of waist trainer or something. I'm not sure what it is. It looks like some kind of waist trainer. Yeah, I think that's one thing that is inside. Let's see next thing. Let's see what is here. What is here? Like a pair of trousers my husband got. Let me also show you guys some other stuff we got yesterday. I got some things yesterday. Let me show you. Oh yeah, so I also got this like dress. This dress, it looks like, this is like, we call this pinafore. This dress, yeah, this one, yeah, it's really nice. And then also this one, this is like a legging. This a legging. And then I also got this pair of black jeans. Yeah, this pair of black jeans from there, as well as this pair of blue jeans. Yeah, they are all really beautiful. So yeah, so Temu is not like, at first we were skeptical about trying it, but like it's been nice using it so far, and their delivery time is really good because they use exactly 2 weeks or so. I think the time could have been less. Maybe they would have used lesser time if not, because Korea had like a long holiday, almost like 4-day holiday. Yeah, I don't know what this is. This is for my husband, I'm sure. I think it's some, I don't know what this one is. I'm not sure what it is, but it also came in this pack. I think it has a remote. I think it's this thing they put on the stomach, and then it kind of vibrates like this. Yeah, this is its remote. Yeah, this is it. And then also, let's see what else came. Let me see. I'm not sure what this is, but let's see what we have here. It looks like a bag. I think some kind of bag. Yeah, it's like, oh, look at these. I didn't even know these things we ordered. I'm just seeing them also for the first time. This is really cute. Wow, look at this beautiful bag. So yeah, these are basically the things that came. I've been receiving a lot of gifts, a lot of things from Temu, but I didn't record this one. So every day more things come. We've ordered a lot of things. Every day more things come. Those are the ones that came for today. So subsequent days, other things that come, I'm going to be showing you all. Like, you can try out this Temu if you're in Korea. You can try using Temu. It's really good. Yeah, if you're in Korea, if you're in US, I don't know, anywhere around the world. I'm not sure which countries use it, because we're skeptical about using in Korea. We didn't know if it's going to work here, but we've tried it and it's working. 2 weeks approximately it comes like that. So yeah, why not try Temu out? And I'm not campaigning for Temu, but like I'm excited about the stuff I got, because what I saw is what I got, and I'm really particularly excited about this bag. There's still some other stuff I got which I'm not willing to share right now. Yeah, so you guys can try it out. They are really affordable. It's cheap compared to AliExpress and Shein. I've been buying from Shein and AliExpress, but I feel like Temu's like better in some aspects. Yeah, so you want to try Temu out? Okay, All right, I'm going to see you all later.
So I've been in Korea now for like 4 years, and it's been very hard for me to ever get the fresh groundnuts. Okay, so and I really like it. My husband really loves it too. So this my sister decided to buy it from another city and send it for us. So I was so happy. I had my corn ready. I was about to just boil the groundnut so that I could eat it with corn because we love it so much. Yeah, so I just went ahead to boil the groundnut. I don't like it when it's too cooked. I just like it when it's a little cooked, a little bit raw. And then I was about to bake my corn. It's boiled corn, but I didn't want to eat it boiled. I wanted to have the feel of like grilled corn or something. Yeah, so I just put it into my air fryer. I wanted it really dry, so I made it like 25 minutes. You can put it anyhow you want, it's up to you. But for me, I really like it when it's dry, and that was how I preferred to eat it. So I went ahead to put it in my oven. Yeah, so there you have it. My granules were done and I was about to eat it. Yeah, so this is what it's looking like after I baked it, and this is my groundnut. Yay, finally after what 4 years I could eat groundnuts again in Korea. Yeah. So this is how it looked like, and here I was about to eat it. Yeah. So that's what it's looking like at the end. It looks so nice. So this was the next day. Like guys, honestly, it's challenging when you're in a country where you can't speak the language and communication is a problem for you, because there are many things you want to express which Google Translate does not do justice to you, and you end up feeling sometimes frustrated. So this is downtown Sejang in Sokcho in South Korea. So on this day, like I've been having this issue because I signed up for a plan with my phone plan, which was supposed to have unlimited calls, unlimited messages, and unlimited data. But then suddenly they just woke up, changed the plan, increased my fee, and then, it became insanely high. And then I didn't have limit. I had limited calls right now and limited data. So I went to sort it out, and they didn't even give me any reasonable reason why they did that, and they just increased my bill for nothing. So I went that day to the bank to sort it, to the telecommunication company to sort it out, which still till now it hasn't really been sorted out, and I felt so frustrated. But anyways, we move. Yeah, so this is downtown Sokcho, like Sijang area. I was moving around here just to show you guys a little bit around the place, and I wanted to get like the bus. So and this day was really particularly cold, okay? Yeah, so this is around the Sijang area. So let me know, do you guys face this challenge where you stay in a country and it's difficult to express yourself? Like sometimes you have a lot to say but the translation is not doing you justice. Anyways, let me know. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed my video. Like, share, subscribe. Bye.